Irish lesson is for complete beginners or anyone where their Irish is so rusty from school. So if that's you, here's a little mini complete beginner lesson in the Irish language. I'm kind of robbing this from the Irish course, the Irish beginner course that I'm in the middle of recording at the moment, and it's one of the first ones. And that's how to say I am something as Gaeilge. This is a practical sentence that you can use every single day. My pet peeve about lessons and courses in the Irish language is them teaching things that you can't say. If the aim is to get people speaking the language, then let's do phrases we can use. Hello. Let's go with I am tired, because look, I don't know, is anyone else always tired these days? I am. So I am in Irish is tá mé. Tá comes from the verb be, to be, and it's the present tense, so it's am, and mé is I. So I am. So it goes am I in Irish because our verb comes first and our subject comes after the verb. It's the opposite to English. So tá mé is I am. Now there's two fadas here, which is brilliant because it teaches you straight away how to pronounce an A fada and an E fada, which is gold. You need that for everything you're going to learn. So the A fada makes the A long, so it gets an O sound, tá. And the E fada, the fada on the E, makes that long and it gets an A sound. So it's tá mé. Now, after that, you can put any adjective you want, adjectives only. You can put any adjective you want. So let's go with I am tired. Tá mé tuirseach. Tá mé tuirseach. Now there's different ways to pronounce tuirseach depending on your dialect or what region you want to learn from. Words like this you can check on Changlin.ie and you can hear it in each dialect and see which one you like, or if you're in a certain region in Ireland and you want to go with that. I'm going to go with tuirseach. So in this you get a few things with the Irish language. First of all, we get vowels that come together to make one sound. So you don't hear the U and I all separate and the E and the A at the end. You just get shortened like one vowel sound from that. And then the CH gets a sound. That's your guttural sound at the back of your throat. Very common to the Irish language. So it's tuirseach. Tuirseach. And you really get used to that, but it takes lots of practice, but you can only get used to it if you practice it. So I am tired. Tá mé tuirseach. Tá mé tuirseach. Now, even if you're Irish, even if you went through all the way through school learning Irish, you probably know that and you're like, yeah, I remember that, or that makes sense. But do you use it? So use it, because that's the only way that you can get confidence with the Irish language. And you know what the great thing about this phrase is? You can say this to anyone in your house. You can say it to your pet, or you can just talk out loud to yourself and go, oh, tá mé tuirseach.